In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 different looks using this Chanel palette that was around during the holiday season. It's still available. You can purchase it online, or you might be able to find it in a store near you too as well. I wasn't going to get this. I saw it in person and I'm like, I need to. Colors are so beautiful. And I wear a lot of these colors. I love Lily Pulitzer, so I wear a lot of those bright colors. So this was right up my alley. This is probably one of my favorite looks that I created with it, but you're going to see a more dramatic look. You're going to see a very, very, very subtle look. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I created this look, which is my favorite look out of all of them. I'm going to use that purple right there. And I'm just going to kind of build this up. And you definitely have to build these up. I'm going to put this all over my lid, by the way, but I really want to build the outside mostly because I am going to put another color on. But this blends out so beautifully. I love this palette. I really, really do. And the funny thing is too, I feel like on camera it looks so much brighter than it does in person. It's just so pretty. I mean, it's bright, but you know what I mean? Like, it just looks different on... I wish you could really see it in person. But look at that. Look how it blends out. Honestly, like a dream. Now, I'm told you this is really easy. Now I'm going to take that color right there, that peachy color there. I'm going to go in and I'm taking my Rougher number 12 brush. Just want to pack this color on. I mean, honestly, let me show you. I could even use my fingers. But look at, oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I just love this combination. It's such a pretty, pretty look. Okay, I want to make sure both of my eyes are even here. So I just want to blend that. Then I'm going to take this eyeliner. This one is from Victoria Beckham, and this is in the color Orchid. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get it in my tight line first. So I really want to scrub it in those lashes. Then I'm going to take it right at my lash line. This pencil works so well with this. I mean, it's like not overpowering, you know, you can barely see it, but that's okay. It still makes my lashes look thicker, and that's the point. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go right on my lower lash line. That, oh my god, my eyes are so dry. I don't know what's going on with my under eyes lately. And then I'm going to take this, which you're going to see in the other video too. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This was from one of her kits. You're going to hear me say that again. And I'm going to just use that color. Oops. I'm just going to blend that out like that. And I want to soften it because you can see the difference between both eyes, and I don't want it to be too intense. I'm just going to go and blend that out. I did bring that brush in there. I thought I didn't bring it. And take this brush, I'm just going to soften that up. Just want to make sure both eyes are even. And I also just want to blend this a little bit more up here. And next, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm going to be using my YSL mascara today and apply many coats. You can put a little bit of this in the inner corner too, which you're going to see me, I believe, do that in one of my other looks. I'm just going to wipe off my little smudger brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit in, but I'm going to tell you, it's not really intense when I do this. And you'll see. it's more sparkly, I feel like, than anything. Maybe from far away you can see a little bit, but it's not like your typical highlighter color that you would see. I'm going to swatch it and show you. It's going to take that. So can you see? I mean, you can see the color, but it's very, there's a lot of glitter in it. I'm just going to tell you, there's a lot of glitter. I don't mind it for a little fun, but it does have a little bit of glitter, and it's not like your typical highlighter, so keep that in mind. But this was a holiday collection, and I hate my hair today. Just so you know, I hate it. I cut my bangs, and I hate them, and I'm growing them out right now, so I just kind of go with the flow, whatever they want to do that day. This is January, and I cut my bangs recently, and so since I film my videos ahead of time, and I'm going to push this video out sooner than a lot of my other videos. You're going to see me with my hair before. You're going to see different stages of my hair. It's probably going to seem like it's growing fastest because I film my videos ahead of time. So I basically will film videos within a week. And so it's basically I film once a month is what I do. Unless there's something that I want to push out, then I'll do another video. But that's how I keep my sanity. So I can keep, stay on top of everything. Okay. So that is my final look. I was editing my video and I'm like, bitch, you did not put the blush on. So let me show you. So I applied on this cheek, I applied this blush, actually mixed, what did I do? I'm trying to remember now. Did I just do the one? I think I did. I'm trying to remember. See, that's the problem with doing like half of your face first and then you're like, what the hell did I do? Okay, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to put this on. It's so pretty. Use a little bit more. I'm just using my Chanel brush, by the way. This isn't the Chanel brush. Actually, I'm using the wrong brush. It's just been one of those days. But I'm not reshooting this again, so you can just have a laugh on me. Okay. There you go. There you go. I feel like I've got a... This is actually a powder brush. But anyways... and I'm going to talk about my hair in another video, by the way. I'm going to film it right after this because might as well. But there you go. That is my final look. And like I said, I feel like, which eye is it? This side? Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more on this side of that orange. There we go. I feel like the other side has more for some reason. There, hopefully it's even. I love this palette, so I can tell you. So I want to do a couple more looks for you. You're going to see a side by side of me. My hair does not look good in the video. Please don't tell me about it. I know I have to deal with it. So I'm just doing the best that I can. So let's do the next couple looks. I'm going to use this with it. This is called Milky Way. They had one of these left when I picked up a couple things recently from Bloomingdale's at mine. And yeah, it's called Milky Way and it's in the number 47. This is what it looks like. So it's like it's just gorgeous. It's purple, but that's got like a pearlescence in it. It's just stunning. I was just filming a video already today, so I had to wash all my makeup off. Sometimes I don't do that. Sometimes I will just film another day, but I'm just trying to get some things done. And so I'm going to take this brush right here from BK Beauty, and I just want to blend that. Now you could just use a like a deep purple kind of a shadow too if you wanted to. You could probably even use a black that's not too black. I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually use this purple here first. And I'm going to apply this right on top of this just to intensify it more. And it's just going to bring out that purple color even more. I feel like with that that base, that eyeshadow, it really just intensifies this look so much more. And I'm bringing it up to the crease too, and just blending this. So see what I'm doing? I'm just bringing it up here. I'm going to go in and take some more of that purpley and go in. Now I could use other colors, but I'm going to use other colors on the other eye. So I'm going to leave it right there. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually take the Orchid eyeliner, Victoria Beckham, because I think it's going to work really well with this. And I'm just going to get in here in my tight line. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to take it to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to have to fix a little bit more once I put my concealer on and everything, but you'll still get an idea of everything. I'm going to wait to do my lipstick, but I already put my foundation on that side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the blush on this side. And I'm going to head and use the pink with a little bit of purple. And pop that on my cheek. I gotta be careful with this. I don't want to look like a clown. And I might put a little bit more on, but we'll leave it right there. Let me put some more mascara on. Like I said, I'm going to keep my lips for last because I have to do the foundation on the other side. There's one more thing that I want to do though too. I'm going to take this and just take a little bit of this color right here. Now this is really pretty too if you just wash it over the eye. Maybe I'll show you that. But let's just keep it like this for now. Now it's going to be a little bit more sparkly than like a highlight, but still really, really pretty. So let's do the other side. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this pink first. And I have already put down a eyeshadow base, by the way. And I'm just going to put this down here. It'll be a very simple look. So it just gives you an idea, like you can really intensify this palette, or you can wear this a little bit more subtle. I'm going to stop about right there. Same Charlotte Tilbury set, just a mini little brush. And I may need to get my mirror that's magnified so I can see a little bit better what I'm doing. Yeah, there we go. Before I finish my eye, I'm just going to do my blush really quickly. So I am going to do this blush right down here. Okay. I always forget. Opposite side, Annie. So I'm just putting that there. So pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Now I'm going to take this same eyeliner. I think I'm going to do something similar down here. I'm going to go ahead and take this orangey color actually. I'm going to tie this all together. Just really applying close to my lashes. And I'm going to, see I applied a little bit more. I'm just going to take it and just blend it. I'm going to take a little bit of that pinky color actually. So we did purple on the other side. I really want to use more of the pink on this side. Just really subtle there. I'm going to go back. I want to use a little bit more of that orangey color here up on top. You know what really looks pretty with this too? is a new spring palette I've actually used with this palette, and it's just so pretty. Then I'm going to take my eyelash curler, and I want to put I'm going to show you the lipstick that I'm going to use with this. And I'm just going to do one more thing too. I do want to use a little bit of this too in another way I'm going to show you in a second. But I'm going to use a little bit of this highlighter because I love it. It is so gorgeous. Now when you first get it, you're going to have a lot of glitter in it. But then as you use it, you're not going to have it. So I just like to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I just swirl it in here. And I'm just going to put some, I'll put it on both sides actually. I mean, I don't think I really need much more on that side, but it's such a gorgeous highlighter. I really love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've been using it a lot. Okay, let's do my lipstick next. Let's see here. This is, I don't want to use that with this. What do I want to use? I'm going to use Chanel. I'm going to use a lip liner in Rose Framboise. I think a lip liner not so bright would actually be better, but this is what I have. This is from the new spring collection, and this is called the Rouge Cocoa Balm and Raspberry Kiss. I missed out on the lip products with this line. I keep saying black. I think it's in the sharpener. Yeah. Really pretty, subtle. That one is definitely bold, but I love it. Let me show you this one now. Now that we have all this done, if you use this as a topper, it just kicks it up a notch even more. So I'm going to do it on this eye. Yeah, I'll just do a little bit. Look at, do you see that? Do you see how gorgeous that is? Oh my gosh. It just kicked it up a notch. Let me use a brush. It's easier than using my finger. It's just, oh my goodness. Do you see how gorgeous that is? Gorgeous. Let's do it on the subtle eye, and I'll show you. You'll get a little pretty glimmer with this too. Like, look at, do you see how pretty that is? See how it's subtle? It just kind of softens the look a little bit, but adds a little bit of sparkle. It's so gorgeous. So I just want to share my final thoughts. I love this palette. I really, really do. I feel like you can do so many different looks with it. I didn't have colors like this. The purple is so, they're all blendable. They're all blendable, pigmented. You need to build some of it up though. You saw with the purple, you have to build it up. But when you do, it's gorgeous. I mean, they're buildable, pigmented. They blend like a dream. I love this palette. I absolutely do. The highlighter I really like as well. Once you get past all the glitter on it, when you first get it, it's going to be kind of glittery. But I do really, really like this palette as well. Out of the two, definitely recommend the face palette, but I love the highlighter as well. It's just very pretty, pinky, iridescent kind of a highlighter that I just think is so, so pretty. So that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you were kind of on the fence and kind of curious about it, I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that I inspired you, gave you some ideas. If you do have a palette and you maybe are struggling with it, I hope that my tutorials were really helpful for you as well. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate if you've enjoyed this. Please make sure you like, share, and comment on the video. Helps push them out to the algorithm. Would greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.